first thing you will need is some micellar cleansing water or any sort of cleanser, and some pads as well to clean your eyebrows. This is the dye that I'm using and I'm going to link it below, and it's in the color number 3, natural brown. Next up, you're going to need a little brush and a little glass jar to put the dye in, and some eyelash and brow tint activator in 3% or 10 volume. So next up, I'm just putting some of that cleansing water onto a cotton pad, and I'm cleansing my eyebrows, as if there's any oil, the tint actually may not grab onto your eyebrows as well. Next up, I'm just grabbing a little glass jar and I'm putting about 2 centimeters of the brown dye, and then I'm gonna grab the activator and put 3 drops of that in, but it does sort of vary depending which brand you're using, so check on the instructions of how much you need to put in. So I'm just putting in 3 drops, and I was struggling a little bit, but I got there in the end. So once that's done, I'm just starting to mix it up with the brush, making sure that the activator and the tint has mixed really well into a paste. It's gonna be still quite runny. So then I started slowly applying it to my eyebrow, and it's sort of a similar way of how you would just fill in your eyebrows with like a gel or something like that. Obviously it's a lot more runny, so you have to be a little bit more careful, but just sort of fill it in of how you want the shape to be. It doesn't tint the skin too well, so don't worry if you do get over, the brow, but I do like to clean it up at the end just in case. So yeah, just sort of apply it all over. I like to clean off the top of my eyebrows first before I clean everything else, so that it gives me sort of like an ombre look. So just to let you know, you can do that as well. So I'm back now, and I'm just gonna start cleaning them off. So it's quite simple. If you have some micellar water on the cotton pad, they clean off pretty well, and I hope you can see the results already. So they are a bit darker. I don't like them too dark, so I sort of keep them like that. And the next step is going to be tweezing or waxing. So I do know how to wax my eyebrows as well, but for this video I decided to tweeze them. So just get any sort of tweezers that you have, and then tweeze away any hairs that are, quite small and they're not where they're supposed to be. So I'm just gonna start plucking now, and this is my worst nightmare because it's so painful to me, but I'm just gonna go do that now. So this is the end result. I've sort of plucked them off camera a bit as well. You can see they're nice and clean now and a bit darker, so if I'm not wearing any makeup, they still look quite nice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye guys!